We're going to unwrap the bolts now, so let's select them. Hide unselected. As you can see, we've got the symmetry modifier, so click edit poly, then put the unwrap tool, so that's sitting below the symmetry modifier. Open up the UV editor. Select face. Select by angle, and then we want to select the back of the faces to each, like to one of these. Click the planar tool. It should be aligned already. Do the same one for the next. Same one for the next one. Okay, that's those three done. Now we want to do these two up here. Planar. And then we want to do the same one with this one here. And then if we select all, click it and drag it out, that's all the back faces to them done. Okay, now we need to do the front of these bolts. As you can see, that doesn't work, the old head it selects, because we haven't got our own seam. It selects the whole thing. So use a different viewport to just drag and select them. Open up Pelt, Start Pelt, Settings, Faced Angles, Start Relax, Apply, Commit. Well, let's do the same one for this one here. And you get the idea, we're pretty much going to do this for each one of them. Once we have them, we'll move them off the UV space. And we'll do the same for the ones in the left. Okay, now we're going to move on to the bases at the bottom, the ones around the hammer base. So the same again, we're going to select the back of each one and then unwrap it using the Pelt tool. Okay, now we're going to select all of the faces on the front of these bolts. And then once we have them selected, we're going to click the Pelt button again, Start Pelt, and Relax, and then Commit. And same again. idea, so I'm going to speed up the video again to when we move on to the ones at the bottom of the hammer. Okay, it's time to move on to the ones at the bottom. And it's pretty much the same as what we've been doing before, selecting the back faces, pouting them, and then same again. Moving them out of the way. And then selecting the front of the faces. And pouting them. Relaxing them. Okay. And after some time, you should have this all done. And then once it's all done, move them all off the UV space into a corner or so. And now I'm going to close this. As you can see, our bolts are done. So let's unhide this.